Dr. Yee just made my comments for me, so thank you. Just glad my wife is here. I would like my parents to be here so they could hear those kind words. So Peter, thank you for that. And Peter and Alice, thank you for all that you do for the Princeton healthcare system. And Peter, thank you for the extraordinary care that you provide to our patients. I think that's really why we have a special reputation. So thank you both. Thank you. It's an honor for me to be here tonight to speak to you. I just regret that Mr. Joe gave me 6 minutes and an assignment to say something smart, so he put even more pressure on me than I thought I had before. The mission of KCCP resonates deeply and personally with me. Your vision to improve the quality of Korean American life, to preserve cultural heritage, to enhance self-reliance and concern for others, and to bring Koreans together in pursuit of happiness, harmony, and common cause could not be more important and more achievable. I'd like to take a few minutes to illustrate why I feel so strongly about your working together to accomplish this important goal. I want to apologize in the beginning for using my own family and my own experience as an example, but I believe that that it's the best way that I can make the point. At the end of World War II, my parents and sisters spent 5 years in a displaced persons camp in Germany, supported by the Jewish organization HIAS, the oldest international refugee settlement agency in the United States. HIAS also enabled my parents to emigrate to the United States. During that time, my father worked with the Jewish agency ORT as an instructor, and ORT is one of the largest non-governmental education training organizations in the world. He was able to save money while in that camp in order to pay his rent and to buy food when my parents and sister came to the United States. I was born in Beth Israel Hospital in New Jersey and spent many years participating in the Young Men's, Young Women's Hebrew Association after school and in summer programs, learning Jewish values, a concern for the community. I also learned to read and write Hebrew, and perhaps most importantly, met my wife-to-be Amy at a Y event. Now, although most of you don't look Jewish to me, I believe my family's experience in coming to the United States is similar to the experience that many of you have had. When they arrived, they didn't speak English, they had little money, they had a wish for their children to be educated and safe, and to assimilate while at the same time maintaining their cultural heritage and values. I think is very similar to what drives many of you. I know that my family today would not have the wonderful life that we do if we had not been supported by the Jewish community and that the organizations that supported us had not been created and supported and directed by the Jewish people in the community.